我是第11届主唱张博涵，然后在我左边这位是第12届的器材上问，然后我们今天要带来的是Boston。 Is there anyone, or it has been gone? Oh dear, you look so lost. When eyes are red and tears are shed, this world you must have crossed just yet. You don't know me and you don't even care. Oh yeah, well you say you don't know me and you don't wear my chest. Oh yeah. Show you I carried all your thoughts across an open field with flower gaze at you. You're not the only one who cry when they see you. Say you don't know me and you don't even care. Oh yeah, well you say you don't know me and you don't wear my chest. Oh yeah, said I think I'm gonna blossom. I think I'll start a new life. I think I'll start it over. And no one knows my name. I'm getting out of California. I'm tired of the winter. I think I'm a lover. Thumbing out this pain. No, you don't think I'm gonna Boston. I live with summertime. Think I'll need a new town to leave this all behind. I think I'll need sunrise. Tired of the sweater. There is nights in the new town. Leave this all behind. Boston knows my name. Hey, but no one knows my name. Yeah, no one knows my name. Boston, when no one knows my name. 谢谢。
结束的动物赛跑比赛终于到了。